Hello again. Now I'm arrived in Rudesheim, Germany. This time, I will show you the magnificent vineyard in Rudesheim. We start from the famous Niederwald Monument. Niederwald Monument, built in 19th century to commemorate the first unification of Germany. Around the town of Rudesheim in the Rhine Valley, there are many fantastic hiking trails that lead you to the most beautiful places in the region. When you are here, you need to stop by to taste the local wine. As you walk, you will be accompanied by the magnificent views of the picturesque Middle Rhine Valley of romantic vineyards. Hope you enjoy the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!